Hello Android users, are you prepared to speed up your cryptocurrency journey? Prepare to learn how to Android device to access the applications for managing the world of virtual currencies. Join us as we unlock the secrets of successful cryptocurrency investing using your favorite Android device. This is a helpful resource for Android users who are just starting the cryptocurrency realm. Now let's go into the specifics. Large portfolios has resulted from mining and trading cryptocurrencies. With many currencies, cheap fees and robust security, dependable mobile apps are essential for professional traders. When selecting an app, keep things like price, currency availability, and user interface in mind. Let's investigate your best option. Millions of people rely on eToro, which has made a name for itself as a leading cryptocurrency platform because of its affordable transaction costs and intuitive layout. Its steadfast security measures and dedication to regulatory compliance have contributed to its popularity, which is a testimonial to its dependability. Because eToro places a high priority on assets protection and safety, users may trade with confidence. Support for a large number of well-known cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, is one of eToro's main advantages. With such a wide range of options, traders may diversify their holdings and take advantage of new chances in the cryptocurrency space. It's important to bring attention to one significant platform drawback, though. Users are unable to remove their cryptocurrency holdings into private wallet. Even while eToro has built-in security safeguards, some investors might prefer the extra security and control that private wallets offer. Even with this restriction, eToro's user-friendly design and clear pricing structure continue to draw in new members from all around the world. With eToro, you may have a smooth trading experience that is customized to meet your needs, regardless of your expertise level with cryptocurrencies. For cryptocurrency aficionados looking for an easy-to-use and feature-rich trading environment, eToro continues to be a reliable platform because of its emphasis on accessibility, security, and dependability. When it comes to Binance in the realm of cryptocurrencies, Binance is a dominant force, not merely a platform for trading. Binance accommodates traders of different investment tastes with its broad support for more than 200 cryptocurrencies. Binance provides everything you need, whether you want to learn more about emerging projects or well-known coins like Ethereum and Bitcoin. With so many options available, consumers may diversify their portfolios and take advantages of market trends by having access to a broad range of investment alternatives. Not only Binance have an enormous range of cryptocurrencies, but it also prides itself on offering an easy-to-use interface. The platform is easy to use, so both novice and experienced traders can get started. Bank transfers and credit debit cards are just two of Binance deposit methods that follow this user-centric philosophy. Binance makes sure that customers from all over the world can simply fund their accounts and being trading without difficulty by providing a variety of deposit options. Furthermore, traders on a budget will find Binance appealing because to its well-known low trading fees. Because of the platform's competitive and clear pricing structure, users can execute transactions without fearing that their earnings will be reduced by high fees. Specifically, trading expenses can be further decreased by using Binance's own BNB token for transactions, giving active traders even more savings. When we turn our attention to Coinbase, we find a platform that has firmly established its place as a well-known brand in the Bitcoin industry. Though it does not have a wide selection of altcoins as its rival Binance, Coinbase is nevertheless regarded as a giant in the market thanks to its simple layout and in-depth lessons tailored for novices. The site is appealing to both seasoned investors and novices due to its user-friendly design, which makes it easy for users to navigate through the complexities of Bitcoin trading. Even with all of its praise, Coinbase has certain limitations. Because the site may charge significant transaction fees, users should proceed with care. This is especially important for individuals who engage in frequent trading because these costs can reduce profits. Even though Coinbase has an easy-to-use design and helpful information, customers should carefully consider the cost involved before committing to the platform. Lastly but not least, let's focus on Kraken. Kraken, which was founded in 2011, is notable for both its vast support for cryptocurrencies and its strong security procedures. Kraken protects users' money because the majority of deposits are kept offline. It is a desirable choice for both inexperienced and seasoned traders due to its competitive pricing structure and reasonable trading costs. Kraken offers a large selection of cryptocurrencies, so there are plenty of investment options to accommodate a variety of tastes. As we get to the end of our investigation into these top cryptocurrency platforms, it's critical to understand that everyone has a unique mix of advantages and disadvantages. As such, such, it's critical to thoroughly match your needs and tastes with the features provided by each platform to determine which option is best for you. In conclusion, the cryptocurrency market is huge and varied, providing a wide range of choices for traders of all skill levels. You may position yourself for success in your Bitcoin dealing efforts by taking the opportunity to look at your top concerns and align to the features provided by different platforms. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel Crypto Shield if you found it to be educational and useful for your cryptocurrency journey. We appreciate your time and interest and hope you will return soon for more informative videos. See you in the following one.